Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Second chapter numbers and sequences. Already 4 exercises I have completed, that is till 2.4 I have completed. Now I have to do exercise 2.5. Before going to that exercise 2.5, few things we need to know about that. Then only we can able to do the sums in that exercise sums. That exercise is based on arithmetic progressions, that is AP. Based on these information only, these things only, sums we have to do. So arithmetic progression. So let A and D be real numbers. Then the numbers of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. So it will be going on like this, is of the form AP. So if you take any numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 or 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, if we take a sequence, if we want to check whether it is in AP, this is the condition. Okay, that is when you take any term, any sequence like this, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, if you are having a sequence. Okay, so the first term of this sequence is 2. So we will take that first term as A. A is equal to. So A we have to take it as the first term and D as the common difference. So the first term is given as 2. So the common difference is, how to find the common difference is second term minus first term. So this 2 we will take it as first term, that is A1, and the second one we will take, second term we will take it as A2. So D is equal to, common difference is 4 minus 2. So we will get the difference for this sum as D is equal to 2. So if the difference between all the terms, is same, if the D is same, then we can say that the given sequence is in AP, is in arithmetic progression. So in this sum, the difference between here for the next one we have to take 6 minus 4, then 8 minus 6, then 10 minus 8. If you see all the numbers, the difference is same only. So the given series is in, given sequence is in arithmetic progression, AP. So that is the thing given here. Let A and D be real numbers. Then the numbers of the form A plus D. So the second term what we will get? We will get it as A plus D. What is the difference we got it here? 2. So A plus D will be the second term. The third term will be A plus 2D. So A is 2, D is 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 plus 2, 6. That is the third term. So like that it will be going on. Is of the form AP. So A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay. Then terms of AP can be written as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, if A and D is given, if we are asked to find the sequence, we can able to find the sequence by substituting if it is asked first term and first two terms if they are asking, and A and D is given. A is the first term. So A and D is given means we can use this formula to find the terms of the AP. And other than that, if we are asked to find 15th term, 16th term and all, if A and D is known, if it is 15th term given, T15 is equal to A plus 14D. If we substitute A and D value in that, we can find the 15th term. Like that, whatever number of terms if it is asked, we can able to find using this formula. So this is the terms of an AP. This one is the formula of this is terms of an AP can be written as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, then next one is, if the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given, they can be A minus D, A plus D. So in few sums you may be asked to find the first 3 terms. Like that, if it is given, you can use this. Why we are using these things particularly means, if we are using this, calculation will be easy for them. So we are using it. So A minus D, A plus D. Then the next one is the same way, if 4 terms means, sum of the first terms. If the first 4 terms are given like that, if we are asked to find the first 4 terms, then if 4 terms means a minus d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Okay, then if 3 non-zero numbers a, b, c are in AP, if and only if 2b is equal to a plus c. Okay, so if a, b, c 3 terms are given, we can find if they are in AP. How we can find means we can substitute it in this, that is 2b is equal to a plus c. Okay, then this one is for Tn is finding the 15th term, 16th term. That term if we are asked to find, that we can find it like this. Here the next formula is sum of the series. Sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find sum of the n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if the first term and the last term is given, we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. So these are few important formulas and important things to note down to do the next exercise. Okay. So next we will continue with the exercise sum. Exercise 2.5. Check whether the following sequence are in AP. So first one is a minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 7. So if we want to check whether the sequence are in AP, the difference between the terms, that is second term and the first term, third term and the second term, if the difference between the sequence, if the difference between the terms are same, if all the D are same, then the given sequence are in AP. Okay, so T1 is first term, that is A3. This is first term. Then T2 is the second term, T3 is the third term. Okay, so A is A minus 3. A is the first term, that is T1 is A. Okay, so A is A minus 3. Okay, then difference we need to find. So how will you find the difference? Difference is equal to T2 minus T1, that is second term minus first term. That is the difference. That is this minus this. We'll get the difference. So T2 is A minus 5. A minus 5 minus T1 is A3. T1 is A3. A minus 3, sorry. T1 is A minus 3. So A minus 5 minus A plus 3. Okay. So plus A minus A will get cancelled. So we'll get the difference is as minus 2. So the difference for the first two terms is minus 2. So now we will check for the third term and the second term. So D is equal to T3 minus T2. So what is T3? T3 is A minus 7. A minus 7 minus T2 is what? A minus 5. So now we will check this. A minus 7 minus A plus 5. So here plus A minus A will get cancelled. So minus 7 plus 5 we will get. So minus 7 plus 5 is 2. So we got the difference as minus 2. So here also we got the difference as minus 2. Here also we got the difference as minus 2. Since the difference between the terms are same, the given sequence are in AP. Therefore, the given sequence are in AP. The given sequence are in AP. Okay. So this is the first sum. So first sum is over. Then second sum. Second sum is 1 by 2. The same procedure only. T1 is equal to 1 by 2. T2 is equal to 1 by 3. T3 is equal to 1 by 4. T4 is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So for finding the difference, we will take T2 minus T1. So T2 is 1 by 3. T2 is 1 by 3 and T1 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so we have to find the difference of this by taking LCM. So 3 minus 3 into 2 is 6. 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. So when we find the difference, we will get 2 minus 3. So here D is equal to minus 1 by 6. So this is the D for T2 minus T1. Now we will find D for T3 minus T2. So what is T3? 1 by 4 minus T2 is 1 by 3. So the LCM for this is 12. So when we simplify this, we will get 3 minus 4. So that is equal to minus 1 by 12. So the difference minus 1 by 12. So the difference for this is minus 1 by 12. Then next one more D we will find. So D is equal to T4 minus T3. So T4 is 1 by 5 minus T3 is 1 by 4. So the LCM for this is 20. We will get 4 minus 5 here. So the difference we will get it as 1 minus 1 by 20. So now if we check the difference of all the three, here first difference we are getting for the first two terms, difference is minus 1 by 6. For the second and third term, the difference is minus 1 by 12. For the fourth and the third term, the difference is minus 1 by 20. Since the difference are not same, the given sequence are not in AP. The given sequence are not in AP. So like this we have to find out. Okay? Understood? So the remaining sums I will do it in the next video, next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.